get into this wig from Ashimaryhair. Get the wig, of course. We're gonna take a look at that in a second, and this is everything that's in my box. I will be sure to put this wig below in the description box, so check below the video. This is what the texture looks like. This is a natural textured wig. It's a 360 invisible strap. See the hairline, it has edges. Okay, so it does have the newborn edges on here. For me personally, because of the texture, sometimes I feel like it's harder for me to wear a texture like this in this color. I'm gonna show you guys today how I'm gonna blend this. This is what the cap construction look like, and it has the invisible strap in the back. Let's put it on and see how it looks straight out the box. Slide it on like this, and then I am going to adjust the strap in the back, but I'm going to also use the adjustable one that's in there and tighten that up first. And then I'm going to use the invisible strap and pull that until it's tight, because I don't want to glue down the back, and the invisible strap for the back is actually really good. So what you want to do is just take this string on each side and pull it until you get it where you need it to go as far as the comfort level is. Next, I'm going to tuck the comb under so that that area can lay flat. Hair is really soft. This is human hair, so you can see for yourself. I can run my fingers through it. Super soft. This is what the hairline looks like. You guys, you can let me know straight out the box, what do you think? They did pre-cut the lace. Parting, you can part this anywhere you want to. I can part it very easily, and it looks like scalp in between there. Looks really good, actually. So my goal today is to show you how to work these edges. One thing I do recommend is, if you get this and you are my complexion, to go with the brown. If you like dark hair and you want this texture, let me show you how I work it right quick. One thing that I do admire about this wig is that it fits around that ear perfectly. So with me adjusting the invisible strap, with this being a 360 wig, the fit is perfect. I know a lot of 360 wigs sometimes don't have that cutout area around the ear, but they definitely did that. So I'm just going to take a water bottle and I'm going to spray the hairline, and we're going to kind of work this, soften it up a little bit. So take my hot comb and kind of press it out some. Doing this does not defeat the purpose of the edges. It just softens them and gives a more realistic look, so that it won't just look like a bunch of hair in one section. It kind of spreads it out. You can see how it softened it up some. You can see how easy it is to get the look you're going for just by using a hot comb. Next, I'm going to take some water and just spray the hairline just a little bit. Rub it. And this is going to recurl the hair. And push it back a little bit. Again, you want to take some of the hairs out of the hairline for the next step. Push it back. Then I'm going to take my Sticky Little Secret melting spray. This is going to hide that lace that you are seeing. And I'm just going to spray this on the hairline. Dry it a little bit. So while we're waiting on the hairline, let's go over the specs of this wig. So this is their Glueless Newborn Hairline Invisible Strap 360 Skin Lace Frontal Kinky Straight wig. So it comes pre-everything. As you saw, the lace was cut. You saw that the ear tab area was cut. It comes with the pre-bleached knots. This is 250% density. They do offer this in 180 if you want to go a little less. And you can also get the option to have the pre-cut lace or not have the pre-cut lace. And it comes in lengths 14 all the way to 34 inches. What I would do with a 34 inch, but this one right here is, I believe, a 24. This is a 24 inch. Super pretty. The hair is so soft. Again, this is human hair, so it can be curled. I have no problem with the hair right now. It's super soft. It's so pretty, and it just feels like relaxed hair that's been blown out. That's the look that it gives. A little bit of texture in there. You don't see a bunch of crazy kinks, but you see just a little bit of texture. And the parting, you get lots of parting space on this. See, this is what it looks like. The hairline is now down. So I do feel like you can go back and thin it if you want, but I want to show you the versatility of this wig mostly, because you can pull this style all the way up. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick hairstyle, and the flow of the hair is really good. How easy it is to pull up 250%. As you can see, It looks really good. But yeah, that's how easy it is to pull it up. You can even do like a half up, half down style. And I'm just kind of playing with it today. What works and what don't work. All right, so this is another style you can do. A cute half up, half down. Isn't that cute, y'all? Let me know what you guys think about today's texture. Is this a texture that you would wear? Do you feel like this texture looks very natural? Let me show you the back. Let me know what you guys think about today's style. I will be sure to link it below in the description box for you all. The hair again is very gorgeous. I really do like the texture. You can do so much with it. I like the ease of styling with this hair. It's a lot, but it don't feel like a lot. It feels comfortable. It's from Ashimaryhair. You can find it linked below in the description box. Be sure to like the video, you guys. Subscribe and check out my previous videos if you want more tips on how to. And I will see you all back in my next video.